How to remove Instagram account from another device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove Instagram account from another device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Open up Instagram, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right of the screen, then go to an option called Account Center. Once you go to Account Center here, you want to simply scroll and then simply look for the option called Password and Security and tap on it. Now the easiest way you can remove someone from your Instagram account is by simply changing your password. So you can tap the change password option. Make sure to change your password to remove everybody. If you want to remove the devices manually, go to where you are logged in and then just select your Instagram account, and then you will be able to see a list of devices where your Instagram account is logged in. Select a certain device from here, tap on Logout, and then just tap the logout option here and you'll be successfully logged out of those devices. This way you can remove Insta account from another device. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.